Assalamu alaikum, 6th class. Today we are going to start exercise 4C. There are some questions. Question number 1, 2 and 3 are of same category. So simplify each of the following expressions. There are some expressions in algebraic form. We have to solve them. These are the fractions, and you know that whenever we have the fraction, we have to take the LCM, and you know very well about the LCM because you have learned about LCM in previous classes. So we are going to start 4C. Question number 1, that is 1 over 4x plus 1 over 5y minus 1 over 6x minus 1 over 10y. So students, this is the statement of first question. First of all, we have to take the LCM. So I have extra page for this. 4, 5, 6 and 10. We always take the LCM of denominators. These are the denominators, clear? And these are the numerators, and we always take the LCM of denominators, and we have the denominators 4, 5, 6 and 10. We always take the smallest prime number of our LCM. Which one is smallest prime number? That is 2. 2 to the 4, 5, 2 3 the 6, 2 5 the 10. 2 1 the 2, 5, 3, 5. Next prime number is 3, 1, 5 as it is, 3, 3 1s are 3. Now 5. So multiply 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12 and 12 5 the 60. Our LCM is 60. Our LCM is 60. Now read the table of first denominator where 60 comes. 4 and 60. Now where it comes, we can divide it. 60 and 4. 4 1s are 4. 2 0. 4 5 the 20. Now at 15th time we have 60. So 15 multiply by 1. 15 as it is and x plus. Read the table of 5 where 60 comes. It will comes at 60 and 5. 5 ones are 5, 10. 5 to the 10. Whenever we read the table of 5 till 12, we have the 60. So multiply this 12 to 1. Okay. 12 ones are 12. Y as it is minus 6 tens are 60. 6. Read the table of 6 where 60 comes. 6 tens are 60. 10 multiplied by 1 is 10x minus 6 10. Now read the table of 10. 10 6 the 60. 6 ones are 6y. Now take the value of x at one side. 15x minus 10x plus 12y minus 6y. 60. Now plus minus minus. 10 out of 15 is 5. The larger value is plus, so plus minus minus. Plus minus minus. 6 out of 12, 6y. Now the larger value is plus, so we will put the sign of plus 60. Now we can make it separate. 5 over 60x plus 6 over 60y. 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. 5 to the 10. 1 over 12 x plus 6 ones are 6. 6 10 the 60. 1 over 10 y. This is our required answer. Clear, students? So you can see question number 1, all parts are same. So now look at the question number 2. Expand and simplify each of the following expressions. There are some expressions. 5a plus 4b minus 4c minus into 2a minus 3 over 2b plus 3 over 2c. There are some expressions and there are some values. We have the fraction values and simple whole values. So we have to simplify it. Similarly, 1 over 2 into 2x plus 2 into x minus 3. Clear? Similarly, there are some expressions. Clear? Now, which question you want that I will solve? I will solve question number A and question number C. Clear? First of all, I am going to solve question number A. So students, this is the statement of question number 2, A part. So first of all, we have to solve the bracket. Then other values we will check. 5a plus 4b minus 3c. Minus is multiplying with all the value of brackets. So minus 2a minus plus 3 by 2b minus plus minus 3 by 2c. Now students, we have these all values. You know that every whole number has 1 with under its denominator. Clear? So we will take the LCM. The LCM is 2. You know very well. Look, 2 and 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones. So 2 is our LCM. 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. 2 5 the 10a plus. 1 2s are 2. 2 4 the 8b minus. 1 2s are 2. 2 3 the 6c. 1 2s are 2. 2 2 the 4a plus 2 1s are 2. 1 3 the 3b minus 2 1s are 2. 3c. Clear students? Now simplify it. Take the value of a with one side. 10a minus 4a. 10a minus 4a. Clear? Now b. 8b plus 8b plus 3b minus 6c minus 3c over 2. Okay ji. 10 minus 4. 4 out of 10, 6. 6a plus 8 plus 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 b minus plus, but we will put the sign of minus because the larger value is minus. So minus 9c over 2. So separate the all values. 6a over 2 plus 11b over 2 minus 9c over 2. 2 3 the 6. 3a plus 11 over 2b minus 9 by 2c. Students, this is our required answer. Clear? Now you can see these are all questions with same category. So I am going to solve question number C. This is question number C part. First of all, we will solve the smallest bracket because we have two brackets. One is larger and one is smaller. First of all, we will solve the smaller bracket. 2 by 5 as it is. 12p minus is multiplying with 5 and 2b. Minus 5 plus minus 2p. Now 2 by 5 as it is. Simplified. Plus minus because both have variable, same variable, 12p and minus p. 5 is not including because it is a coefficient. It is a constant value. It has no variable. 12 minus 2 is 10p minus 5. Now multiply this value to inside. 2 by 5 multiplied by 10p minus 2 by 5 multiplied by 5. So 2 by 5 multiply 10p minus 2 by 5 multiply 5. Clear? Look, 2 multiply 10 over 5p minus 2 multiply by 5 over 5. 5 to the 10, 5 ones are 5. Clear? 2 to the 4p minus 2 ones are 2. Clear, students? So we can, this is our answer, required answer. Clear, students? Now look, question number 3 is also same. You can find no difficulty in this question. So solve them properly. If you say that I can solve one question of question number 3, that is the which question I can solve, you can say I will solve this question number G. Very easy question, there is no difficulty, you know very well. We have to take the LCM of 4 and 8. So take LCM of 4 and 8. 4, 2 to the 4, 2 for the 8, 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Our LCM is 8. 8. 4 2's the 8. 4 to the 8. 2 multiply with the numerator 2 into a minus 2, because this is the whole value of one numerator. Clear? Minus 8 ones are 8 into a plus 7. Clear? Now multiply 2a minus 2 to the 4. Multiply, this is the value of 1, minus a minus plus minus 7. 1 7 the 7 over 8. Okay. Separate the value of a and constants. 2a minus a, that is 1a or simple a. Minus minus plus, but we will put the sign of minus because the larger value is minus. Minus minus plus 7 plus 4 is 11 over 8. We can say that this is 1 over 8a minus 11 over 8. This is our required answer. So students, you can easily solve question number 1, 2 and 3. So solve these all questions and all parts at home. Practice at home very carefully. Thank you so much.